I'm out here with the Pixley drone. Now, I think Dan only got one flight with his, or the battery, or some mumbo jumbo. Didn't work. But I'm on my third flight with this thing. I flew it twice in the house. So it's going to connect up to the Pixley app right now. Right there it is. There's the drone. Now I'm going to do a teardown like he did on mine, but I'm going to do mine in 4K. So you'll be able to see it a little bit better. He did his with his webcam, and it was a little bit fuzzy in places, but you know, that's what he had to work with. So we're going to skip that. We're going to go with the share later. So it's recording. I guess it's yes, it's recording. So we're going to go try to take off now. And see what kind of flight time we get. I mean, this thing is a true classic turd, if I ever seen one, okay? This thing. I want to see what the flight time is also. Tells you the height there. I'll put the video in, but there it's going up a little bit. I don't really think it goes very... It doesn't seem to fly very much. It just kind of like sits there. But we'll see what the flight time is on it. The wheel actually turned, believe it or not. Here I am turning it. So far I got a minute and something of flight time out of it. Low voltage, confirm. So that means it's going to be landing here shortly. And there it goes. Well, you're supposed to be able to tip it. Okay, we'll keep flying then. Yeah, I thought, you know, when I did it in the house, when I tipped it sideways like that, it shut off. But here it didn't. So I got a couple of minutes out of it. So that's the first and last flight of the Keyshare, whatever the hell the name of this stupid ass thing is, the Pixley. Man, what a, oh God. I tell you what, I gotta be completely honest. I feel sorry for anybody that actually paid $300 for this thing. I really do. Man. I mean, I know I've bought some real turds in my day, okay? But man, paying $300 for this thing, I'd probably fucking commit suicide if I did that. Okay, it's that bad, okay? I mean, you saw it, right? Okay. That's enough to make you want to go out to the bar and get drunk. Alright guys, there it is, the Pixley. Phew. Man, is that bad. Is that bad. So the video didn't save to the phone, so hopefully it's stored on the unit, and if it's not, then we won't see it. So I didn't do a screen record, but like I said, I'm not messing around with it no more. I'm just gonna do a breakdown on it, see what it looks like inside. You know, Dan said there was a lot of tech in there, so we're gonna take a look, see for ourselves. So, all right, guys, have a nice day.